Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and you all are taking very good care of yourselves too. So as you all know, in our previous class we started the revision of chapter number 4 of your books, and this chapter is all about common fractions and it is quite interesting chapter as well. So are you guys excited to start studying today? Please take out your books, page number 65. As you all know, in our previous class we were discussing some terminologies related to fractions, in which you can see here we discussed proper fraction, improper fractions. What are proper and improper? You guys are already familiar with it. And today we are going to talk about mixed fractions as well as like and unlike fractions. And yeah, so are you guys ready? Let's start reading. A combination of a proper fraction and a whole number is called a mixed fraction. क्या कहलाता है fraction? Mixed fraction हम किसे कहते हैं? A combination of a proper fraction. और proper fraction कौन था जिसका denominator was greater than the numerator? Denominator की value थी that was greater than the numerator. Numerator was less than the denominator, right? So these kind of fractions are known as proper fraction. And what are mixed fraction? In which a combination of a proper fraction का combination होता है, and a whole number, it has a whole number as well behind it. Proper fraction के साथ एक whole number भी given होता है, is called a mixed fraction. Now example. Now look at the example which are given here. 1 2 upon 3. Okay. Now you can see here it is a whole number with a proper fraction 2 upon 3, right? Very good. We have another example 2, which is whole number, and 2 upon 3, which is a proper fraction. Denominator is greater than the numerator. Easy. Very good. 3 2 upon 5 is also a mixed fraction. 3 is a whole number and 2 upon 5 is a proper fraction. Easy. Very good. Now we have another example 4 2 upon 5. 4 is a whole number and 2 upon 5 is a proper fraction. And there are more examples related to mixed fraction. It has a whole number as well as a proper fraction. Together they make a mixed fraction. Okay? Easy. Now let's start reading further. Above are the examples of the mixed fraction. We just read them. Now we have some other terminologies like fractions and unlike fractions. Now let's study what are like and what are unlike fractions. Okay? So fractions with the same denominator are called the like fractions. वो fraction जिनका denominator क्या होता है? Same are called like fractions. Otherwise, they are called unlike fractions. Now let's study it once, read it once again. Fractions with the same denominator, those fractions which has same denominator as are like fraction. And those denominator which do not have, which do not have same denominator are called like unlike fractions. So what is the difference between like and unlike? That one has same denominators and the other one has different denominator. Is it easy or is it difficult? It's very easy, and I know that you guys are very smart and you all find it easy as well. ठीक है? So otherwise they are called unlike fractions. Okay, so now let's read the definition of like fraction. Fractions with the same denominators, bottom numbers, are called fractions. Like fractions. Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions and are called, okay. Easy. Okay, now let's move to let's study some examples related to like and unlike fractions, that how do they differ and what are the examples. Examples are the best way to understand anything. राइट तो आइए देखते हैं हम अनलाइक और लाइक फ्रैक्शन की डेफिनेशंस, कंपैरिजन करते हैं डिनोमिनेटर्स का. सो प्लीज टेक आउट पेज नंबर 66 ऑफ योर बुक्स. एग्जांपल्स 2 upon 13, 3 upon 13 and 5 upon 13. Now you just notice that तीनों के जो denominator are same. Alright, तीनों के जो denominator हैं, these three fraction have same denominator 13, 13, 13, which makes it them like fractions, right? And 2 upon 13, they all are like fraction due to the fact that they have same denominator. Okay, now you can see here 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 4 boxes, 2 are colored, that's why 2 is written as the numerator. 3 upon 4, total boxes are 4 and out of 4, 3 are colored, that's why 3 is mentioned in the as the numerator. Okay, so these are the fractions, same denominator. Now let's look at the examples of unlike fraction having different denominators. Unlike fractions, fractions with different denominators are called unlike fraction. वो fractions जिनके denominator different होते हैं हम उन्हें unlike fraction कहते हैं. Example 2 upon 3, 3 upon 19, 2 upon 17 and 15 upon 30. Now you can see difference here clearly that the denominators are different. Numerators are different as well, obviously. But तो इनकी identification हम क्या करेंगे that these are unlike fraction because they have different denominators, alright? Very good. So this was a very quick revision for these terminologies which we will be using in our next classes. We will be doing the revision of the questions, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's class. We will meet in next class. Don't forget to write these definitions and send them to your teachers as a homework. Take screenshots. All right, so we will meet in next class. Till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye.